Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you guys how I edit my thumbnails and photos and other cool tricks. Without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Disclaimer. I'll be moving to different locations, and I'll show you guys like a before after kind of thing and progression and apps I use. So if you've seen the thumbnail already, you have seen what some of the things that I've used. And you can look at the name. I'll put it here, might be here. But with that being said, enjoy. Hey guys, so I'm going to be editing this. So I'm going to Pixel and then I'm going to select the photo that I would like. So I ended up picking this photo that I had taken from a video. So now I'm going to my effects and then I'm going to select which filter I would want. So I went to Stardust, selected this one. I don't know which one to choose, but I think I chose the second one. I liked how the layout went, and then I went to edit more of like the stars and like where I wanted to be in the rotation. So I ended up going to, I was looking more on my eye, on my left eye, because I liked how it was glowing into the sun, because I love it. You know when you love a good honey eye, you know when your eye is glowing, you get the idea. So I selected that. Then I would go to Pix College, and then I would take a screenshot of this same picture. And then after that, I went to Fonto, and then after that, I did like a thing where you can add background on PixArt, which you can do, and it was so easy for me to get that thing done. And honestly, it was so easy just because I think you can add text and those butterflies that I was able to do. So without further ado, I'm sorry for the delay on how to do this video, but someday I'm just going to put random clips of how I do this on my other video or the next video that you see. Sorry guys for the delay. I love you all. Happy spooky season. I want to give a huge shout out to this girl. I'm going to try and put her name right here, like how she does it in her videos. You know, gotta give some love. Love you, girl. Thank you so much. She called me cousin. She mentioned me. If you're a trooper, you're a real one. Represent. Let's just take that down. Let's just take that down. But yeah, you get that. You get that. You catch my drift?